Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Dr. Bobby Misa Brimong, the World Council Chairman in the entire Asia Pacific and the rest of the Philippines. I would like to invite you in advance the World Council Ilocos Norte, Ilocos region, headed by our Lady Queen Ambassadress Dr. Marilou Honey B, Tamayo, together with our Visayas region support. Kami ay nagagalak na kayo ay paglingkuran sa Diyos ang papuri para sa ating humanitarian service. Kaya po kung kayo ay taga Ilocos region, iniimbitahan namin kayo to join the World Council Humanitarian Service. To God be the glory.
The first World Council Excellence Award is happening here in Ilocos Norte on July 30, 2022 at the 4th Ilocandia Resort Hotel and Casino, Laoag City. The World Council Excellence Award is a global excellence award-giving body and institution recognizing the people in their field of expertise, skills, talents in showing to the world that every person deserves to be cited. The chairman's vision is to see Filipinos around the world to become a world-class excellence achiever. For interested applicants, for the entry, Gawad Karangalang Pilipino sa Gisag Maharlika by the World Council International Convention in commemorating Lingkod Kalusugan at Edukasyon for Global Humanitarian Icon Peace Prize Awards 2022, you may contact Lady Queen Ambassadress Dr. Marilou Honey Tamayo at 0916-204-407. You may also submit your entries and requirements at alt.medicine at ngtwellnesscenter.com. Deadline for submission will be on Monday, July 18, 2022. The first World Council Excellence Award.